Chef here. The fall is finally here and it's time for sauerbraten. Sauerbraten is a wonderful dish and the recipe is available on the website. I usually combine a venison roast or beef roast, some red wine, some onions, some sugar, some lemon, different spices, and I want to show you the mortar and pestle. This is solid marble, handcrafted. This is exactly what you need to grind up your different spices and seasonings. Release the flavors. These are juniper berries. All you do is put them in like this and give it just a small smashing. Doesn't take very much. You don't have to put too much effort into this. And right here, you can smell the flavor, almost. Much more flavor released when you smash your berries. Same with bay leaves. Bay leaves, if you're going to just give them a little bit of a crush like this, you're going to release a whole lot more flavor when you put this in your marinade. Okay? Got some cloves here. Same thing. Oh, they smell wonderful. But if you give them a little smash in here, you're going to release so much more flavor. It's just unbelievable. Look at that. Very little effort, and now you have smashed cloves. Oh, the flavor. It's unreal. So if you don't have one of these mortars and pestles, or you need some fresh seasonings, freshly dried seasonings, cloves, pickling spice, juniper berries, smoked sea salt, black peppercorns, mixed peppercorns, whatever you need, visit the website, chefdepot.com.